Changing your Chevy Equinox key fob battery might sound intimidating, but it's actually super simple. If you've been struggling with weak key fob performance or outright failure to unlock your car, it's time to tackle this. Let's save that trip to the dealership. First, you'll need the right supplies. You'll need a replacement battery, likely a CR2032, but double-check your owner's manual to confirm. These are cheap and easily found at any drugstore, grocery store, or online for less than $5. Start by identifying the seam where the key fob splits open. It's usually along the middle edge of the fob. This is where the magic happens, or frustration if you don't have the right tools. A flathead screwdriver is your best friend here. Pro tip, wrap the screwdriver tip in tape to protect the plastic casing from scratches. Slide it gently into the seam and twist to pry open the casing. Key fobs are tough, but unnecessary force could damage them, so be patient. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Notice how it's oriented, positive side up or down? This is critical. Take a quick picture on your phone if you're unsure, because inserting the new one wrong will waste your effort. Pop the old battery out by gently prying it loose with your fingernail or the edge of your screwdriver. Be careful not to touch the battery contacts too much. Excess oils from your hands can degrade electrical performance over time. Now, insert the new battery in the same orientation as the old one. Make sure it's seated securely. You'll hear a satisfying click or feel it fit snugly into place if done correctly. This is your goal. Before sealing the fob back up, test the buttons to ensure they work. Hold it near your Equinox and press Lock Unlock. If nothing happens, double-check the battery installation. Don't seal it until you're sure it's working. To close the fob, align the halves and press them together until they click into place. Take your time to ensure all edges are properly snapped back together. Loose casing can let dirt or water in, ruining your key fob. If you've done it right, your key fob should now work like new. That's a $100 fix at the dealership you just accomplished for under $5 in under 10 minutes. Feels pretty good, doesn't it? Quick warning, dispose of the old battery responsibly. These little guys are toxic to the environment and potentially dangerous to kids or pets if ingested. So don't just toss them in the trash. And of course, if you've struggled or something seems off, don't hesitate to reach out to a dealership or watch additional tutorials online. But chances are, you nailed it, and you're ready to hit the road with a recharged key fob.